All right, I've got the VOPEAK golf storage organizer. Something you can put in your garage or wherever to store your golf clubs, shoes, and accessories. This looks pretty simple to install. I'm going to put this together and show you what it looks like when it's done. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. Basically, we're going to attach these pieces and this bottom shelf to these sides, and we're going to build each side individually. Then we'll flip it over and we'll put the other side on. Everything you need comes with this. We have a wrench for these casters that come on here. So the larger ones are going to go for the shelves and the sides, and the smaller screws are going to be used to assemble this shelf that also hooks on there. There's a couple of other shelves that you just basically hook on there when you're done. It looks pretty easy. They've given us the instructions, and let's get it done. We even got an Allen wrench for it too. So let me show you what it looks like when we're done. Pretty easy to build. You are going to have some extra screws in here because they give you extra screws, which is good. I actually took the Allen wrench that they gave me and bent it into a flat shape so that I could put it in my little cordless drill here. And that made it really easy to assemble. You're just going to assemble side at a time. This side with this piece, this piece, this piece, and this piece. You flip it over and put the other side on and you're good. The toughest thing was to assemble this shelf right here. It's kind of hard to balance it. That's just maybe me. This stuff just hooks on here. These shelves just hook on here. There's one down here too. You have a couple of hooks here, another hook here. That also you can move these around, put them wherever you want. And we'll see what it looks like with clubs in it. All right, so this thing's perfect for storing your clubs away in the garage. It's got casters on it. I put the locking casters in the front here, so when I get it into place, get it where I wanted to, I can lock them down, easy enough. Got a rack here where you can store balls in there, whatever you want. Hat, I put my hat on here, my shoes. You can clearly see that you can get sets of clubs in here if you want to. Plenty of room. Slots in the back here for these clubs. Got a couple of hooks on here. Hook my rangefinder on here, a little towel rack if you want. This bottom part back here is felt, so it protects the grips, which is good. What I think about this particular feature right here with these clubs is that this is a good place to clean them, you know? I got my club brush right here if I wanted to clean my clubs. Easy enough to do, or if I want to dry them out after a round, I could put them in here. I could even use this shelf for a bucket of water, soapy water to clean my clubs. So something like this obviously would be great for a golfer or someone in your life that golfs. A great place to store your clubs away. You can see in front of my French doors here, it doesn't take up a whole lot of room. It actually has a perfect amount of room for sets of clubs and a little bit extras. Not a whole lot to it. It rolls. It's lightweight. It was easy to put together. So if you're looking for a golf club, golf accessory, storage organizer for your garage or your basement or whatever, check out this one by VOPEAK.